Michelle T. Sterling, a renowned image consultant and founder of Sterling Style Academy and Global Image Group, shares her tips on looking to create a travel capsule wardrobe to simplify packing and ensure versatile outfits for your trip. A travel capsule typically includes 10 to 15 interchangeable pieces, tailored to the length of your trip and personal style preferences. For example, for a 5-day vacation, consider packing 5 tops, 3 bottoms, 2 comfortable yet stylish shoes, and 1 small crossbody bag. Adhering to the 5-4-3-2-1 rule can also guide your packing decisions, but feel free to adjust based on your activities and destination. Renowned image consultant Michelle T. Sterling also suggests prioritizing neutral colors for easy mixing. Consider coordinating matching sets for added convenience. Accessories like a fashionable one-piece swimsuit can double as a bodysuit, and packing cubes can help keep your suitcase organized. Ultimately, the key is to tailor your wardrobe to your personal style and needs while ensuring comfort and versatility throughout your travels.